This is Muhil service. We are the industrial crane manufacturer and automation provider. This is our stall E37. This is our product for industrial cranes. This is customized product for wireless remote control. This is advanced remote control with camera models. This is all our product. Variable speed motors. This is all advanced 200-year-old DMAC cranes. Also we are provide all wireless remote control solution for all equipment. Concrete pumps, hydraulic industry, all the industry. Thanks for watching.